So in this video I'll teach you how to create your own custom commands for Claude Code. So if you click on backslash, you can see a lot of commands in here, right? So these are by default, which is provided by Claude. Right now we want our own custom command to be present inside this. So for this, let's start. So in your repo where you have Claude, you can see your Claude code. So inside it you'll create a directory called commands, and in there let's create a new file, and I will name this as make test.md. Now it only recognizes MD format, so do not make it any other format like txt or anything else. So let's define what we want this command to do. So write test cases for this file, and we can pass in arguments as well. So if you want to pass in argument, you can reference them by the argument number. So $1 will refer the first argument which has been passed. Okay, so we have defined this. Let's save this and restart this Claude instance. So now if I go and put make test, you can see it has been loaded. So make test. So what it will do now, let's pass in our file name. So I'll go package rest handlers and slash, let's do user login handler, and then click on it. So it will start executing this step. So let's wait till the time it is reading it. So as you can see, it has identified the default command. I'll create a comprehensive test using this. So yes, so when do we want to use these commands? If you are working on a project where you have to create these commands, run these commands regularly, so in that scenario what you can do is you can save these prompts inside this command. So one thing to note is this make test md command which we have created will be limited only to this repo. Now there can be a scenario where you would want to do that in our whole user system, right? If you want to make it available across your different repositories. So we'll go to slash dot Claude, right, and slash command. So it's not there, right? So first let's create mkdir -p tilde slash dot Claude commands, right? Now open tilde slash Claude slash commands. Now this will open this directory. So we already have it. Let's create a new and name it as make test global, right, .md. So write test cases for the $5 So right now, for the sake of ease, I have created both the commands with the same prompt, right? So now let's fire a Claude and see if this is being loaded or not. So command Claude and slash if you do make. So yes, there you can see both the commands have loaded. Now one thing to note again in here is this global command will take preference if we have made the same name inside our repo. So let's do that. Here make test md specifies this, and let me update this as make test, and now I will global write test case, right? Now let's switch back to the repo. I'll shut this off. I'll start Claude again, and then if I do slash make, so yes, you can see over here it's loading up the global one, right? Global write test case for the file $1. So write test cases